You are a successful person, or you will be, indeed. But do you know the right words and language to talk about your achievements? Follow along. On this video, we want to talk about our success and achievements in life using these phrases: overnight sensation, display of wealth, bountiful harvest, really beautiful phrase, go the extra mile for, esteemed, and make a quick buck. So if you're interested, hit the subscribe button and follow me. A quiz question. The startups app became blank, attracting many customers across the world. There is an application that becomes or became blank. We want to say the application became very popular very quickly. It became hits, instant hits very quickly. So when something or someone becomes very famous and very popular very quickly, we have a word for it. Overnight sensation. Here. Overnight sensation, which is the synonym to sudden success, instant hit, and meteoric rise. So overnight sensation means a thing, a person, or a product becomes popular very quickly. A sudden success happens for you when someone, for example, an actor or an actress or a singer becomes an overnight sensation. It means they become suddenly successful. They become instantly hit or popular. So let's learn the phrase in sentences. The singer became an overnight sensation after her video went viral. An overnight sensation, we count it. An overnight sensation after her video went viral. Another example. While many dreams of being an overnight sensation, true artists like Banksy prefer anonymity despite their fame. Banksy is somebody who draws graffitis on walls of the city, and his works are very good. His paintings, his drawings are very good, and people admire those graffitis, but he prefers to be anonymous. He doesn't like to show face. Yes, many dream of being an overnight sensation, but Banksy, he doesn't like to be famous. He avoids fame and popularity. Quiz question. The mansion and sports cars were a clear blank bountiful harvest. There is no harvest in the picture. And we don't want verbs here, so it's wrong. Overnight sensation, we already used it. It's display of wealth. You have a mansion, a big house, a luxurious house, and some sports cars, luxurious cars. You use them to display your wealth. So the mansion and the sports cars were a clear display of wealth. Ostentatious wealth. I taught ostentatious on another video. You can watch that by clicking on the link above. Or lavish exhibition. We use ostentatious wealth or flaunting riches or lavish exhibition or display of wealth. All these phrases when we want to show off, we want to show our positions to other people in order to impress people. So we want to come across as impressive. We want to influence other people. So we display our wealth. We show off. Ancient kings used pyramids as a display of wealth. But today's billionaires build rockets to show their wealth. So in the past, a pyramid was counted as a lavish exhibition, ostentatious wealth. Now having rockets is counted as, or private islands is counted as display of wealth or ostentatious wealth or lavish exhibition. Another quiz question. The farmer celebrated his blank after a rainy season. So this season, the previous season, rained a lot, and now we have so many crops. The farmer is celebrating his bountiful harvest. Bountiful harvest is used when someone works hard and the hard work pays off. So you work hard and you earn the amount that you worked. Bountiful harvest represents a large, successful crop yield. It means abundant crop, rich yield, plentiful harvest. So bountiful harvest means plentiful harvest. You plant a lot of crops, you plant a lot of seeds, and you grow a lot of crops. Examples. Farmers prayed for a bountiful harvest this year. They worked hard and the hard work paid off. The festival thanked nature for the bountiful harvest. There was a bountiful harvest. They grew a lot of crops and they held a festival for it to thank the nature for the bountiful harvest. Tsukimi festivals honor the moon for bountiful harvests. Each year they have so many crops. They honor the moon, they thank the moon, blending tradition with gratitude. The chef blank 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 to make the dish perfect. Make a quick buck or go the extra mile. Which one is the correct answer? The chef made a quick buck to make the dish perfect? Definitely not. Go the extra mile. Go the extra mile to make the dish perfect. When you go the extra mile to do something or for someone, it means you go above and beyond. You do more. You do additional work to impress the other person, to do an excellent job, to influence and impress other people. So going the extra mile is a synonym for exceed expectations. Go above and beyond. Go out of your work and do more and additional work to impress other people. Teachers who go the extra mile, inspire students to become overnight sensations in their fields. So teachers that work hard, they do additional work for their students. They also motivate and inspire their students to become successful, become popular very quickly in their fields. Again, go the extra mile is the synonym to exceed expectations and go above and beyond. Influence. Quiz question. Influencers chase viral fame. 2. They seek instant popularity. They seek overnight sensation. 2. To do what? To do what? The purpose is. 2. Make a quick buck. Because we need a verb here. Make a quick buck. We had this phrase on another video about business and finance. Now we want to use it here in other theme. It means earn fast money or easy money, short-term profit. The things that you do to make a quick buck will only bring you short-term money. So if you want to make a long-term profit in the long run, you need to do other things. You need to run businesses. But some entrepreneurs may do side businesses to make a quick buck, to make fast money, to make short-term profit. And also, we had it in the previous slides, some influencers on social media, they try to increase a rapid popularity, to become an overnight sensation, to make a quick buck. We always learn words in sentences. Okay, our sentence. Scammers often try to make a quick buck. Scammers are people who fool, people who deceive, people who are frauds, and they try to deceive people, to trick people, to make a quick buck, to make fast money. Another example. Warren Buffett warns, if you're trying to make a quick buck, you'll lose the long-term game. So always try to think long-term instead of short-term. Earn a livelihood to make a long-term profit, a long-term earning instead of making quick bucks. Another quiz question. It is our honor to introduce our blank senator. Well, we need an adjective because we have an adjective senator, good senator, bad senator, esteemed senator, because the only word that is adjective here is esteemed. Esteemed means honored, respected, important, highly respected. I know that you all who are watching my video are esteemed people, esteemed viewers. You are my esteemed guests. You're honored, you're important, you're distinguished, you're honored, you're respected. Esteemed. The senator was esteemed senator. Here we have examples for esteemed. The mayor greeted the esteemed guests at the ceremony. Esteemed is mostly collocated with the word guest. Esteemed guest. The mayor greeted the esteemed guests at the ceremony, as you see in this picture. And let's review all we have learned in this video. Remember to rewatch the video over and over if you truly want to master every word and phrase that you watch on this video you have learned so far. Overnight sensation, a rapid popularity, instant success, sudden hit, display of wealth is an ostentatious wealth, bountiful harvest is plentiful harvest, crop yield, go the extra mile for means to go above and beyond, to do more than you supposed to do additional work. Make a quick buck means make fast money, make fast and easy money instead of earning money for long term. And esteemed means honored. Esteemed means important and highly respected. Until next video, so long.